Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard American Airlines Flight 1487 with non-stop service to Phoenix, Arizona. Our flight time to Phoenix will be 4 hours and 39 minutes at an altitude of 13,000 feet. Currently, Phoenix is partly cloudy with a temperature of 48 degrees Fahrenheit and translates to 9 degrees Celsius. Here at American, your safety is important to us. We ask for your attention as we show the following safety briefing on our Boeing 777 aircraft. Your attention, please.
Welcome to your American Airlines flight. On its way to one of our many destinations across the globe. Made possible by our dedicated team members, who all do it for one reason. That's why your safety is so important to us. So let's go over some in-flight instructions so that we can get you safely on your way. To buckle your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap to tighten. To open, the top of the buckle. If you're seated in the premium cabin and your seat is also equipped with the shoulder belts, fasten the belt by attaching it to the buckle until you hear a click. The shoulder belt must be worn during taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you're seated in the premium cabin and your seat is